We're traveling at superluminal speed. Friend, close your eyes. Let your body relax, sink into the soft mattress. Listen to my voice, and banish the day's noise from your mind. Now imagine you're lying alone under the vast night sky. The mysteries of the universe begin to unfold calmly in your mind. Tonight, we'll explore a seemingly contradictory, yet incredibly fascinating scientific mystery: thought experiments and the speed of light limit. In 1915, Albert Einstein proposed the famous theory of general relativity. This theory set an absolute red line for our universe, the speed of light. In physics, the speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second, or 300 million meters per second. Relativity states that any object with rest mass can never reach or exceed the speed of light. The speed of light is the ultimate speed limit in this universe. However, modern astronomy, through observations of distant galaxies, has reached an astonishing conclusion. Our universe is expanding, and in the extremely deep reaches of the universe, the rate of space expansion has far surpassed the speed of light. This raises a huge question. If the universe is expanding at faster than light speeds, then, is Earth, within it, also traveling faster than light? If so, doesn't that openly violate Einstein's theory of relativity? Don't worry, slow down your breathing. Tonight, under this tranquil night sky, we'll break down this mystery step by step with scientific logic. Hubble's law and the nature of space. To understand this phenomenon, we first need to get acquainted with another great astronomer, Edwin Hubble. In 1929, Hubble, by observing the spectra of distant galaxies, discovered a pattern. Almost all galaxies are moving away from us. And the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it moves away. This pattern later became known as Hubble's law. The core scientific concept is simply moving away. It's not because the galaxies themselves are rushing through space. To help you perceive this more intuitively in your sleep, we can perform a scientific thought experiment. Imagine the universe is an infinitely long rubber band. Earth and distant galaxies are just two ink dots on a rubber band. Now pull the rubber band apart with two hands. You'll find the ink dots themselves aren't crawling on the rubber band. Their speed relative to the rubber band surface thereon is zero. But because the rubber band itself is stretched, the distance between the two ink dots has truly increased. This is the physical essence of cosmic expansion. Earth isn't racing through space faster than light, relative to the local space-time around it. Its speed is very slow. It's not the motion of matter that exceeds light speed, but the expansion of space itself. Einstein's special relativity states, matter and information cannot travel faster than light. But space itself isn't matter. It's not a solid made of atoms. It's just the stage carrying matter. Therefore, the expansion, stretching, and warping of space itself are completely unrestricted by the speed of light. The universe can expand as fast as it wants. Redshift, observable universe, and recession velocity. So how is this faster than light expansion speed calculated? This involves an important astrophysical formula, the Hubble constant formula. Here, v represents a galaxy speed away from us, usually called recession velocity, and the underscore h is the Hubble constant, and ed is the galaxy's distance from us. Through this formula, you can clearly see a linear relationship. Recession velocity is directly proportional to distance. Even if the Hubble constant's value itself isn't large, as long as the distance is great enough, the calculated recession velocity v can easily exceed the speed of light. When the expansion speed of space exceeds light speed, a very peculiar physical phenomenon occurs in astronomy: extreme redshift. When a distant galaxy emits light towards Earth, because the space between it and Earth is wildly stretching, this light's wavelength will also be mercilessly stretched by space during propagation. In the visible light spectrum, red light has the longest wavelength. So this phenomenon of wavelength lengthening is called redshift. If a galaxy is far enough away from us, the expansion speed of the universe it is in is exceeding light speed. Then the wavelength of the light it emits will be stretched to infinity, turning into microwaves of very low energy, or completely unobservable. This light is like an ant on a reverse conveyor belt. The belt's backward speed outpaces his own. So this light can never reach Earth. Because of this, the universe draws a boundary for us, called the observable universe. Beyond this sphere, 46.5 billion light-years wide, All space recedes from us faster than light. Information from there can never reach Earth, nor can Earth's information reach there. Physics rigor is perfectly shown here. The universe's superluminal expansion keeps distant galaxies forever isolated from our sight. Relativity's steadfastness, spacetime's waves. Now, your mind can fully relax. You've clarified their link with scientific logic. Einstein's relativity is not invalidated. It still stands firm on physics' foundation. Special relativity limits Earth's local motion speed. Earth orbits the Sun orbits the galaxy. These local speeds are far below light speed, strictly obeying causality. General relativity grants spacetime infinite freedom. General relativity's field equations tell us spacetime is a dynamic geometry. Mass can curve it into gravity, or, due to dark energy, or a cosmic constant, it spontaneously expands outward. So Earth has no conflict with relativity. We're in local spacetime, guarded by relativity. And the mattress beneath us, the room we are in, the Earth we live on, all follow the universe's vast, superluminal scale, quietly extending into the void. Large scale faster than light, small scale light speed. Under the universe's laws, a cold yet rigorous scientific harmony is met. A tranquil cosmic physics dreamscape. As Hubble's law is deduced, as light stretches in the vast expanse, the universe's noise calms with scientific explanation. Macrospace still expands outward faster than light, pushing stars to ever greater distances. But in this haven, woven by nature's laws, all physical constants remain so stable. The speed of light, still 300,000 kilometers per second. Atomic vibrations are still precise. Gravity still pulls you onto your bed. No worries of causality's collapse, nor confusion from speed conflicts. Science has explained all for us, bringing rational peace to the night. Space's river still flows, faster than light. You follow this rigorous spacetime, slowly drifting toward deep sleep. Let your thoughts' wavelength lengthen, like waves of grand light. Frequency getting lower, becoming ever flatter. Earth is safe. Physical laws are perfect. You can sleep peacefully. Good night.